On the occasion of International Children's Day, Prime Minister Somsak Siphandorn delivered a heartfelt message celebrating the rights and potential of Lao children while reaffirming the nation's commitment to the protection and development.
น้ำตั้งหน้าการทำภาครัฐและแนะนำส่วนตัวข้าพเจ้าขอส่งพรไส้อันประเสริฐความหักแพงความเป็นห่วงเป็นใย
In his address, the Prime Minister emphasized the dual significance of June 1st as both International Children's Day and National Tree Planting Day, a tradition established in Laos since 1980.
เป็นอยู่ที่ดีให้เด็กเปิดโอกาสและสนับสนุนให้เด็กได้มีโอกาสแสดง
He stated this day symbolizes our dedication to sustainable development, environmental stewardship, and investing in our children's future. We teach our youth the value of nature and social responsibility, ensuring they grow into knowledgeable, creative, and disciplined citizens.
เป็นเด็กคำฮู้เป็นเด็กดีเป็นเด็กเก่งเด็กฉลาดมีความรับผิดชอบมีระเบียบวินัย
The Prime Minister extended warm wishes to all our children, urging them to embrace learning, innovation, and resilience under this year's theme, empowering every child, equal rights, safe futures. Reflecting on global history, the Prime Minister noted that International Children's Day originated in 1925 to advocate for children's welfare. Laos has since taken significant steps to uphold these principles, including enacting the law on the protection of children's rights and interests, making Laos the 66th country worldwide and first in ASEAN to ban corporal punishment. Hosting the 8th ASEAN Children's Forum 2024, where Lao youth contributed to the ASEAN Children's Declaration on Climate Action, participating in regional efforts to eliminate violence against children and improve access to justice. However, challenges persist, including child poverty, exploitation, online risks, school dropouts, and climate-related threats. The Prime Minister acknowledged declining international support and called for renewed collaboration.
เพื่อแสดงถึงความเอาใจใส่ต่อสิทธิของเด็กการมีส่วนร่วม
The Prime Minister reaffirmed the government's commitment to child-centric policies, urging partnerships with local and international stakeholders. Together, we must create safe environments, amplify children's voices, and ensure every child's rights are protected.
ยังได้เข้าร่วมค้นคว้าปรึกษาหรือประกอบความคิดความเห็น
Concluded with a helpful vision, may Lao children, our nation's brightest future, thrive with happiness, health, and opportunity.
ขอให้พรในการเฉลิมฉลองวันเด็กสากลปีนี้มีกระบวนการฟดฟื้นและประสบผลสำเร็จอย่างจบงามขอขอบใจ